The new Spyder headlights. So that's just the parking lights all on. If I start the truck, that's just daytime running lights. Low beams, cutoff line is actually quite sharp, quite nice. The low beams. Ooh, cold. And the high beams. Obviously we got left signal and right signal. Turn the hazards on. So signal lights are actually at the top of the housing, and mine have been switched to 2 LEDs. The kit or the assembly wants to utilize your original signal light, and it wants an amber 194 peanut bulb for your side markers. And then my LED fog lights